Hey guys, it's Little Charlie. So today we're playing Slenderman Rise Up. So this is like the 8th page something. So without further ado, let's get it on. What do you guys like? Field or village? So I'm going to field. Okay, I want easy because I just downloaded this. So okay. See? It's like the 8 pages. Oh, so okay. Let's go first here. If you saw Slenderman, what will you do? Oh, there's a page. Think it's my lucky day, guys. We're doing it next. I guess there. If you saw Slenderman, what will you do? Oh, there's a page. Think this is my lucky day. Yep. I don't wanna look back because I think he's behind me. Oh, okay. I just died. Oh guys, this is literally bro fish out.